October 13th, 1917. Rain poured relentlessly over Portugal. Tens of thousands of pilgrims, skeptics, journalists, and curious onlookers gathered, drawn by reports of apparitions and prophecies made by three humble shepherd children, Lucia dos Santos, Francisco Marto, and Jacinta Marto. They claimed the Virgin Mary had appeared to them and promised a miracle to prove her visits. The crowds stood drenched, eyes fixed upon the sky, waiting for the extraordinary. Months earlier, on May 13, 1917, the children first encountered a radiant figure who identified herself as the Virgin Mary. She spoke of peace, prayer, and repentance, urging them to return every month. Each month, the crowds grew larger, driven by reports of visions and prophecies. Lucia, Francisco, and Jacinta faced scrutiny, doubt, and even hostility, but remained steadfast, repeating the promise of a great miracle. On October 13th, as dawn broke on the anticipated day, heavy rain fell continuously. Yet, undeterred, around 70,000 people gathered at Cova de Iria, a muddy, barren field. Skeptics and believers alike waited impatiently, their hopes and doubts intertwined. The three children stood calmly, praying, as journalists and photographers documented the historic gathering. At noon, Lucia pointed skyward, signaling the arrival of the promised event. Witnesses collectively gasped as clouds abruptly parted, revealing the Suna disk of brilliant silver, dazzling but strangely visible to the naked eye. The sun began to spin rapidly, projecting streams of vibrant colors across the sky and landscape. Witnesses described it as a wheel of fire, pulsating and dancing, defying the laws of nature. Suddenly, the sun appeared to break loose from its position, plunging toward Earth, causing panic and awe among the crowd. People cried out prayers and pleas, believing the world was ending. Journalists, skeptical observers, and faithful pilgrims alike provided vivid descriptions. Avelino de Almeida, a reporter for EOA, prominent Lisbon newspaper, wrote passionately, "The sun trembled, made sudden, incredible movements outside all cosmic laws. It appeared to detach from the firmament and advance threateningly upon the earth." Others described the sudden drying of their soaked clothes and the mud beneath their feet, inexplicable phenomena adding credibility to the event. Following the miracle, scientists, astronomers, and skeptics offered numerous explanations, including mass hysteria, optical illusions caused by prolonged staring at the sun, or rare atmospheric conditions. Yet none could satisfactorily account for the precise prediction made months earlier, nor the consistency of eyewitness testimonies. The miracle of the sun transformed into a global pilgrimage site, drawing millions of visitors seeking spiritual renewal, healing, or a deeper understanding of the event. The Catholic Church officially recognized the apparitions in 1930, further cementing significance. The young visionaries faced dramatically different futures. Francisco and Jacinta succumbed to illness during the Spanish flu pandemic, passing away young, canonized decades later by the Church. Lucia lived a contemplative life as a nun, sharing detailed accounts of the visions and prophecies until her death in 2005. Their stories continued to inspire devotion and curiosity, offering deeper insights into the spiritual and historical implications of their experiences. The miracle of the sun resonated beyond religious boundaries, raising questions about belief, perception, and humanity's eternal fascination with the divine and inexplicable. Scholars, historians, and theologians continue exploring its meaning, examining the event as a profound intersection between faith, science, and culture. Today, over a century later, the miracle of the sun remains a compelling mystery. While explanations abound, none entirely dispel the profound and collective experience of those present on that historic day. Endures as a powerful symbol of faith, hope, and wonder, reminding us of life's enduring mysteries and the boundless possibilities that lie beyond human understanding.